Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be sharing my favorite tips to make your basic outfits look cuter and just improving your style, become more of a stylish person. And these are all super easy, anybody can do them, and I use them all the time. So without further ado, let us get into the video. The first tip that I have is for your oversized t-shirts. Now, sometimes I like to tie them, but that usually ends up coming undone a few times a day, so I have to redo it a lot. So instead what I do is I tuck my shirt in. Now, the problem with this is if you don't do it right, it gets kind of lumpy. So you have to make sure that you are really smoothing your shirt down. You know, if you're comfortable doing this in public, then you're probably not doing it right. The next order of business, belts. So this is my favorite belt from Brandy Melville, and not only do belts help cinch in your waist a little bit, but I think they also, they really tie your outfit together. Now this is a tip that I think many people don't do, but it really helps to improve your outfit, and that's cuffing your sleeves, which I didn't do very well in this video, but I think you get the idea. And I just think cuffing your sleeves kind of pulls your outfit together, adds some extra spice. Hats. Hats are an item that really adds some extra pizzazz to your outfits. My favorite is the bucket hat. I think they're really cute. And not only is it some extra style, but it shades your face from the sun. I also just found this black felt hat in the closet, and I don't know, I feel like it really improves my outfits. You know, makes go from an 8 to a 10. This next tip goes along with cuffing your sleeves, and that's cuffing your jeans. And I once watched this movie where they said, don't cuff your jeans, tuck your shirt in, and wear a belt because it's tacky. But I do it all the time, and I love it. So definitely recommend. I also think it's important to have a basic pair of shoes, and I know I always mention fun shoes, but basic shoes are important because they match everything. Layering is something that I have only recently gotten the hang of, but I think it's really cute, and I like to layer a striped or a flower shirt underneath a t-shirt, and I just think it makes your outfit a little different. And layering tank tops I've actually never tried before, but I think a simple tank top, and this one's not the best because it has patterns on the cloth, but is really cute. My last tip is accessories, and I feel like no one really wears accessories, but they add so much to your outfits. And I recently got these big hair clips, which I think are really cute, and also small hair clips, which I don't know why, but I sometimes get a little self-conscious to wear. I'm not sure why, but I think they look really cute. Other accessories, earrings, necklaces, and I always prefer gold jewelry. I just think it matches better, but silver works too. Scrunchies are really cute too. I prefer bow scrunchies. I think they really look cute with your hair in a little ponytail. And I also like to pull back strands of my hair with a little clip. I think it's a super easy hairstyle, and it's a little more interesting than just having your hair down. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you can leave with some helpful tips in hand to help you improve your style. I use these on the daily. So if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and comment. Maybe I forgot a tip or your favorite tip. And if you thought these were helpful, give this video a share. Share it with your friends, your family, your neighbor. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next Sunday. High five.